Good afternoon, everybody. It's Dr. A back in the garden. Yes, I'm back in my garden and I'm just loving it. As always, there's so many things to look at here. And it's mid-August, so, not too bad for mid-August. But I want to show you a plant I'm really excited about. It's this beautiful, beautiful Heliopsis. Heliopsis is kind of a name that doesn't exactly flow off the tongue, but, smooth oxeye and false sunflower aren't a whole lot better. Heliopsis is a pretty good name. But just look at this. This is a fabulous, I'll say relatively new plant from a German seed company called Gelito. And it's called Burning Hearts. Just love it. I just love the red inside, the yellow. It can be a whole lot bigger than what you're seeing in this garden. It can be a good 2-3 feet tall. But, the flowers and my little guy here, they're in love, so who's to do anything about that? I love this plant. It attracts pollinators. It's an easy plant to grow. Just go out and find it. Heliopsis, and it's called Burning Hearts. Have fun. Stay dirty.